How to fix Outlook high memory and CPU usage. 1. Reconfigure Outlook options. Disable these reported settings. Show calendar details in screen tip. Show weather on the calendar. Show user photographs when available. Improve search speed by limiting the number of results shown. Use animations when expanding conversations and groups. 2. Launch Outlook in safe mode. To do so, turn off all active COM add-ins. 3. Flush your DNS cache. Commands include IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / flush IP protocol configuration / renew netshare int IP reset netshare winsock reset 4. Check if you are using Pi-hole or another similar DNS-based ad blocker. If so, exit or disable the software. 5. Delete and add your account again. 6. Check your hosts file at c:/windows/system32/drivers/ etc. 7. Reduce the size of Outlook. Data files. Path, home new email more items Outlook data file. Plan B, clean up the mailbox of junk files. A. Disable telemetry. Set 1 to disable telemetry dword at computer /hk_current_user/Microsoft/Office/common/client telemetry in registry editor. Reboot your PC later. 9. Troubleshoot in Windows clean boot state. 10. Prepare Office.